Hi, Matt Capell here. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring here in Meridian. Hey, I just got another buying tip for you here. If you like this, please comment, share below, share with your friends so I know what type of content to make for you, okay? Or if you have any questions, please put it below and I'll make a video just for you, okay? So right now, with different hardwoods and things, one thing that you need to be aware of is that darker woods like this that are really popular right now, I just want you to be aware of one thing when making that purchase so that way you can decide whether or not you're okay with this. So, for example, I have a wood here that's dark that we stained. If you can look really closely with hardwood flooring, you can see the dust a lot easier with darker floors. So if I go like this, see how I'm wiping the dust off here, and then my hand's gross. So if you buy wood and you get a darker color, just be prepared to know that you're more apt to see the dust and that you will have to probably sweep a little bit more often. And it's not a problem, it's just something that you need to be aware of when buying something like this versus something like this on the floor like maple that's light. You're not going to see the dust nearly as much, okay? So I just want to make sure you understood that. So when you're buying these pretty beautiful hardwood floors, make sure you know that, okay? So appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and we will talk to you soon, okay? Have a great day.